Hi guys.
We are making our way
to the cooking class. We're gonna do a nice Mexican cook-off. We're gonna have a lot of Mexican food.
We're making 3 dishes.
Yeah, and
I don't remember the names right now, but you'll see when we get there, guys.
yeah.
Let's go.
Let's walk. Woo. We have arrived.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa.
No way!
We are going to be cooking today. Okay, so now by the end of the class, we're gonna answer the question if she's gonna hire us.
Exactly.
If we're hireable.
My name is Isadora. Nice to meet you, everyone. I'm your teacher today. We're going to cook 3 different recipes. This is for chilaquiles. Chilaquiles chipotle. You like spicy?
No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes.
Yes, no. Yes, no.
We're making the sauce with tomatoes, chipotle, spicy, sour cream, ajo, cebolla, slice, comino, sal, y huevos. Everyone is cooking their own eggs. We need to put this in here. Esto se llama comal. We're making 3 teams. Okay?
Important.
One team here.
That tomato is important.
Over there is for the enchiladas. Here for Pacholas. So, who wants to be in this team and that team?
Can I be in every team? Who wants to be on my team?
Nobody.
Team number 1 will be here. Team 2 and team 3.
My team over here willingly chose me. We're peeling some carrots.
There's only one. But maybe she wants it done in a specific way.
We need to peel this, and you need to cut in small cubes after.
Okay, I can do cutting.
And then we peel also the potatoes?
Peel everything and
Okay.
cut in small cubes.
Thank you, master.
Look at this amazing view, you guys, too, right?
Yeah, it's a really nice view.
Peel here, cut here.
Okay, ready?
Okay, a lot of cutting happening over here.
And what you guys doing over here?
Cutting.
We're cutting and opening these peppers.
And what's this for? What's this for?
No clue. For the pacholas?
Pacholas, okay. So this is onion, what's this?
No, I think it's parsley.
And this?
Peppers, clearly.
And meat. What's you guys doing over here?
Jeffing it up.
So you just are cooking
Bruising them.
Okay, when you do something cool, call me. So I'm done. They're still working. Why are you guys so slow?
You should get
What?
another knife and help us out.
I will, but I gotta go show around. Because someone's gonna see this. So now what's happening over here?
Now we're making the sauce.
Oh,
So
you're getting all the seeds out of the pepper?
yeah, these ones are a bit spicy, and we have to basically. These ones we're gonna boil. We're gonna put them in there. And
Oh,
this
and you
is,
put the cilantro and the onions with the meat?
Yes.
And you mixed it. And what's happening over here? Oh, you guys are making chips.
What?
we're making chilaquiles.
Whoa. Cool.
Only the finest.
8 minutes.
In this, and they'll become hard?
Yeah,
Well, these are cooking. And what are these for? What are the,
for the sauce.
for the sauce? They have to be soft, is that
Yeah,
why? Oh, okay.
soft.
Good job, team 1. You're still doing this, team 2?
Yeah.
Team 2 is superior. Stirring the tortilla.
So now we're putting this in the boiling water over there.
Okay.
Boiling water with the chilies. These are the chilies.
Keep going.
We've got chilaquile making station. What are you doing, Julian?
Just kind of putting them on, then filling them up. Then you're gonna have to spray the oil and then put the salt.
Oh, okay, so you're making the chips
Yeah.
for the chilaquiles. Peel off the skin. You have to organize lots of stuff, don't you, at once? You have to organize a lot of things. How's that skin? coming off the jitomates. Is it easy?
It's easy, just hot.
Very skinny. What are you doing? Getting ready to eat?
I'm preparing my appetite.
Okay.
Somebody's got to eat, and it's an important job.
The daily menu.
They just say that.
They told it was like on their original.
Here's the appetite building station. Appetite's
Just on the
building.
nudist.
No, not that episode.
Chili
That is
Minero
funny. That one's
station. We've got potato. Oh, sorry.
Lainey,
Enchilada.
you're hired. You're gonna be a videographer from now on.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Got the job.
Got the job. So we're done cutting them. We put them in the water, the carrots and potatoes, and now we're boiling them. Can you also put these still on the stove, or
This one? Ah, yeah.
it can also? Oh, but it's easier.
This is faster
Yeah.
and easier. The stove will be like 15 minutes,
Oh.
20.
Whoa.
What? You just like so close up.
Look at the chicken.
It's like too close to my ribs.
Wait, are you? What? Is this ice cream? Oh, it's tomatoes with yogurt. No, crumbs. Yeah, and you're a really good chef, I see. Flipping the chips is really hard.
Right.
So what, you guys cut the tortillas like this in squares, triangles, and then you put them in the oven, then you cook them?
This is the sauce for the pacholas.
So you let it sit in the water for a little bit to like, why'd you let it sit?
To soften them.
Okay.
Yeah, you boil a little bit and you add sea salt, blend it, and you need to add the meat. It's a little bit hot.
Okay.
You can wait or you can mix with a spoon. We're adding a mulatto sauce to the meat. Pacholas is a traditional dish from here, from Guanajuato. And used to cook in that one, in the metate, the beef.
This.
So you put everything and press.
Oh, yeah.
And make,
They're like mini burgers.
yeah, like that.
And now Emma's got in on the action. And Lainey is videoing. And everyone else is working on the chips over there. Emma, you want some more?
Wait, I have to ask her if we need more.
Yeah, we do.
No, wait. Okay, fine. A little bit. Don't put much. Stop. I don't know how much more we need. That's why. And it's so warm.
So while Emma is making the patties, she has a few thoughts.
If you don't want one of these things thrown at your face, you better like and subscribe right now, you guys.
Yeah.
Or else you're never gonna see what I'm gonna
And
do.
comment down below that Emma makes them all uneven.
I don't make these every other day, you know.
Oh my gosh, you're layering them perfectly to go in the oven. Wow, this is your perfect job. I think she'll hire you. And Julian over here is still working on them.
Yeah, they're
making sure that they're not too well done, but these are underdone, right?
My first one was, and now they're trying to say they're burnt. They need to be more done.
Oh, I want to try. Finally, she had the salt, and now they're all done. Almost.
This is sauce for enchiladas.
Oh, enchiladas. Oh, okay.
Watch this sauce being made.
Yeah. 2 videos happening at the same time.
No way.
Lainey's doing a lot.
Julian, your chip spot has been taken.
Oh, it looks so good. Oh, guys, you can't smell it, but it's so good.
Here is the delicious sauce. Chip station has been switched around. Everybody's flipping these chips.
So in a few minutes, you have to get the water out, and we have to rinse them, and then we mix them with the chorizo. Let's just skip to that part. Look at that. I've never seen that. It's so cool. And the potatoes and carrots are done. Strain them.
Now we're putting this with the chorizo.
Okay. Black pepper, okay. Whoa! Getting some cool cinematic shots.
You know it. Over the shoulder, get a little view.
Ooh, that looks so good. Ooh, that looks so
I don't think so. Your face behind the camera is just so. We put the pacholas on here, and they're cooking. Oh, this is the sauce. Whoa. I'm giving the role of stirring.
This is sauce for chilaquiles.
Emma's flipping them. You abandoned me, you know?
I did? When?
Yeah, I was just stirring the stuff over there, so I took all the credit.
What? I was stirring the stuff over here. But I was so happy stirring over here.
Anyways,
You can do that better?
of course.
Sophie's turn.
See, look at that.
That was very master chef.
Good job, Sophie.
And Leah's over here stirring the sauce. Very important role.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, finish up. We're gonna make the enchiladas.
We flipped them.
Everybody, egg station. You gotta make your own egg.
I'm gonna make my own egg. Okay.
Wait, I want to crack it. Can you open it, please? I'm gonna hold it a little bit. Okay. Why is it so pale?
Why is it
like you.
Guys, meat.
Look at the meat in here. This is the finished product. Mostly, we have one more thing we have to make, but let's just eat. Epic time lapse. Woo! This is the filling for the tortillas, to make the enchiladas. We have to start cooking them on the stove.
A little bit of oil,
Yeah?
both sides.
Dip it in that.
Dip. And stuff with this.
Okay.
Roll it.
Oh, these are enchiladas red enchiladas. Oh, okay.
And this is your enchilada. So
Time to make the enchiladas, the final thing on our menu. Oh, so first we're gonna get them all with oil.
yeah, a little
Okay.
bit. Just a little bit. Dip it. Just a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Just a little bit.
Bring me a plate, please.
Ah, plate.
A plate, get a plate.
I'm working. She's teaching, yeah. I see, and then I spoon to stop it. I think I put too much.
So you can roll it. Press.
Like this.
Roll
Right.
it.
Yeah, I put too much.
Ah, it's okay.
It's okay.
You can roll it.
So that's one.
Here's the finished plate. It's delicious. Now we're going to eat our final dish, the enchiladas.
Awesome time lapse. Let's go.
And that's how you cook lunch here.
Thank you for teaching us how to make the chips and
The chilaquiles, the pacholas.
enchiladas. What made you want to start cooking?
Because I watch my grandma cooking and also my mom, so they teach me to cook a little bit, and then I like to cook my own food. So
Okay.
I started to cook my own food when I was like 6 years old, like fried fish
Yeah.
or pancakes. So I like to watch them and help them, and also to cook by myself. So I like to work here in my own business and to teach and share my culture too.
We're gonna leave all your information in the YouTube video. So
People can come to cooking classes with you.
Yeah. Thank you so much for teaching us.
Thank you too for coming. Thank you. So I hope you enjoy the class, the food, and what's your favorite of the three?
I think I like making the enchiladas. So that's part. I love like dipping the thing and like yeah. And it was so nice because of the view. I love working with like the
Yeah.
view. You cook, you're cutting, you're like, oh.
Also, I designed the kitchen. Yeah, I designed this place because I have a lot of cooking stuff, so I need space.
Come to her cooking class. She's so good. It's
Thank
so
you.
good, the food. Okay, thank you. Bye, Isabel.
Bye, thank
Bye. Why didn't you video it?
We don't have to video every moment, Cosby.
What are you doing?
Looking at you. Wait.
And that's me.
Oh, it didn't look so good.
Hey, can you hold this?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're.
Get. Oh, look at this. Oh, I got a little steamy. I put the lens on it. It was cool.
Is it rolling? We're rolling. We're rolling.
That was our cooking adventure, and now we're going back to the hostel. But we wanted to say before we leave you guys, first of all, subscribe to our YouTube channel down below. Yeah,
Follow us
ring
on
the
Facebook
bell.
and Instagram and YouTube and TikTok.
Yeah, comment. Oh my gosh, we went to the cooking class so much. Oh my gosh, we love you. Bye. Comment those exact words. We'll see you in the next awesome, totally cool, totally original, totally awesomely cool, original teen retreat adventure. Bye. Bum 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 bum. We're gonna walk home. Bum bum. That's gonna seem so nice. Bum bum na 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 na. Bum 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 bum.
You can stop now.
Everyone say bye. Oh, that's it. Oh, but better. Okay, everyone say bye. Bye. We're leaving.